Craving crispy cutlets without all that oil? Try this. Take half cup minced chicken, half cup raw potato washed and drained, 1 cup breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, chili flakes, and oregano. Mix it well, shape into cutlets. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Flip after 10 minutes plus lightly grease with oil. If you want it more crisp, then air fry it for 5 more minutes at 200 degrees for that golden crisp. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Healthy, tasty, and done in minutes.